Welcome to the premier air conditioning service in Chandler, Arizona and surrounding communities. We're Antrim Air, and if you need help right now, give us a call at 480-485-6505. We'll get help out to you right away. That's 480-485-6505. We have a receptionist standing by 24 hours a day, ready to take your call. Our highly trained technicians work extended hours, 7 days a week. We're always available to assist you quickly, especially during the hottest months of the year. Don't suffer even one more minute. Call 480-485-6505. We look forward to making your home cool and comfortable again.